Absol just released one of the most emotional hip-hop albums of the year, Doe Burger. But this isn't just another rap project. It's a tribute to his late friend, Doe Burger, who passed away in 2021. Every track on this album carries grief, reflection, and raw energy. With features from Lupe Fiasco, J.I.D., Vince Staples, and even posthumous vocals from Doe Burger himself, Doe Burger feels like a personal letter, not just to fans, but to a fallen brother. The production is deep, the lyrics are sharp, and Absol's voice cuts straight through. Critics are calling it one of the best rap albums of 2024. And after his performance at Rolling Loud, California, it's clear Absol is back, and he's speaking from the soul. So, is Doe Burger the most powerful rap album of the year? Let me know in the comments. And if this touched you,